Dear judges, I am delighted to be here and proud and grateful. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to tell you more about SES's story. We've done our very best to make our written entry come to life. So I'm about to take you along our CX journey, one that we are so passionate about, and I can't wait to take you with me. So I hope you find this video informative, useful, and also enjoyable. At SES, we believe in content and connectivity everywhere. And that's why our purpose is to do the extraordinary in space and deliver amazing experiences everywhere on Earth. With over 70 satellites in 2 different orbits, our reach is unlike any other, which has enabled us to seamlessly deliver video content and reliably connect communities, businesses, and government institutions, even in some of the most remote places on the planet. Our story of innovation started in 1985. As a pioneer in the industry and together with our partners, SES has set standards in terms of reusable launchers, electric propulsion, flexible payloads, and driving costs down per bit. But over the past few years, the satellite industry has been in a constant state of change. We know that competing only on technology, no matter how cutting edge it might be, it's just no longer good enough. And this is why 3 years ago we launched our customer experience strategy called Heartbeat. But we are always looking for ways to innovate, and this includes our CX capabilities. This is why we explored and found a way to take our CX efforts one step further. At SES, we genuinely care about people and see our technology as an enabler for human experiences. I am very proud to say that through our Heartbeat program, we are consistently receiving customer feedback that states that customers love our people and our technology, in that order. Our people here at SES have built very strong relationships with our customers. This is a fact that we are immensely proud of. In 2020, COVID-19 shook us all and unlocked an even stronger need for human connections. At the same time, we started to pick up that the best that B2C has to offer made its way into B2B. The ability to seamlessly switch between digital and personal interactions, to name an example. The personalized experience that our customers have when they engage with our people during the human interactions, that's what our customers were expecting to see as well through other engagement channels. One of the strongest messages we received from our customers was to make things easier. However, across our customer base, the expectations of easy differed. And this is what triggered us to explore the opportunity of bringing CX and UX closer together, and to integrate UX capabilities into our CX foundation. Because the better we understand the individual challenges our customers face and the individual's expectations that they have, the better we can demonstrate empathy on a business level and show we genuinely care by making customer-centric improvements where they matter most. And this is not just a temporary necessity. Ease of doing business has been a loyalty driver in B2B for decades. And the reality is that ease of doing business means different things to different people. There is no one-size-fits-all, and there is an opportunity to make it feel tailored, addressing the individual needs. Take, for example, the way in which we all experience time. Time is the most precious thing we have, and during the pandemic period, we have all collectively relearned how precious quality time really is. Time with our loved ones and a healthy work-life balance is something we all value more than ever before. Through research we did with our customer base, we learned that the ease of doing business is more tightly linked to speed of execution than ever before. Another shift we identified is that when our customers talk to us about innovation, they no longer refer to just our technology. They mean business innovation. Learning all this was very important and useful. But now we needed to design a way to systematically capture all this in a simple, future-proof approach. An approach that is holistic and flexible, and that allows us to move the needle on customer centricity faster. Because if time is the most precious thing we have, then maximizing our customers' time is key. But because there's no one size fits all, understanding how to tailor the best use of our customers' time when they engage with us, that's where the true value is. And this is what led us to accelerate our human-centered approach. We started this initiative by upskilling our CX team with UX skills and getting certified in human-centered design, design thinking, and storytelling. This allows us to apply these modern techniques and better engage the wider SES organization in creating more customer value. Additionally, we unpacked the concept of ease and evaluated where we're not meeting expectations in relation to speed of execution. We used all of our existing CX research and added more depth with journey-level interviews. These interviews immediately gave us another interesting dimension: emotions. At SES, when we hear that the process is not working, what we actually hear is that workflows need to be fixed. However, our customers really mean that access to information, people, or subject matter expertise is too slow, and the time it takes us to respond is too slow, which makes them feel stressed, anxious, or disappointed. Fortunately, there are also cases where customers bring up moments in which we saved their day because we anticipated on everything they needed, and that made them feel really good. And so now, when we aim to make things easier, we do consider emotions as well. To structure the personalized experiences in a scalable way, we created empathy-evoking personas that include jobs to be done, expectations, priorities, and emotions. We mapped out the expectations by persona type and journey phase or touchpoint, and we evaluated the monetary impact it was causing us, SES, for not meeting customer expectations at those critical moments of truth. Our new UX and design thinking skills also enabled us to embed CX into the functional areas by introducing cross-functional CX design workshops that facilitate the art of the possible thinking. These workshops are run with participants representing diverse cross-functional teams who are equipped with the newly identified customer elements and tasked with walking in the shoes of our customers to ideate customer-centric solutions. This approach allows us to design experiences with people at the core, using a persona as lens and improving a scenario by considering what matters most to that persona while drawing from diverse and collective thinking. This ideation takes place in a highly inclusive setting with a strong focus to build on each other's ideas. So far, these workshops have all been delivered remotely, so we were very grateful for tools like Miro. The EASE workshops, this is how we call them, they returned hundreds of great ideas that we then synthesized and mapped back to the customer priorities, addressing the most critical pain points first. We teamed up with the business process management team and evaluated how close we can get to the desired CX design while taking cost and timelines into account. Then the last step was to close the loop by ensuring the continuous improvement efforts address customer priorities and areas that are hurting us the most as well. This helps to ensure a win-win for both our customers and SES while optimizing return on investment. All continuous improvement efforts have executive sponsorship and are executed by the functional areas that own that part of the customer journey. This gives the CX team a wider reach, creating more critical mass for customer centricity. And the success criteria that we're targeting for phase 1 are an increase of win ratio of 25%, a 10% increase in in-year revenue because of changes that we're making to the sales process, and also a 20% reduction in cost of doing business. And because technical support is such an important loyalty driver to our business, we are targeting a 25% increase in technical support satisfaction. As a result, we're shifting our value creation from being a company that's primarily focused on delivering technology to becoming a company that's delivering experiences enabled by technology. We are adding human expectations and customer jobs to be done to our engagement models and how we do business. It is relatively early on in the initiative implementation, but we already see a mindset shift from account management to success management. The strong focus on including diverse ways of thinking and actively engaging the functional areas in co-designing the customer experience is massively expanding the number of diverse and new ideas. The cross-functional nature of the workshops is also helping us improve role clarity across the different groups, building empathy between the teams and solidifying trust. This strengthens the employee experience, builds cross-functional collaboration and trust, and that helps us execute faster. The workshops also help to make employees feel respected as they share their experiences and draw from them in the ideation for solutions. This brings people closer together, within our organization, but also with our customers. And because people from different functions are co-designing experiences with people at the core, they all become part of the solution. This helps massively in getting buy-in and sponsorship for all the CX improvement initiatives. For us here at SCS, these improvements in cross-functional collaboration, they help us increase the speed of execution, they help us bring costs down, and they help us accelerate time to value. And that's so great. But the most exciting thing of it all is that it helps us bring people together. It allows us to create experiences for people, by people, and add value on the people level.